This is Samsung soundbar HW-B450F with wireless subwoofer. What I want to do is to show you how to hook this up to your TV with HDMI. So take the cable, go to the back of the soundbar and connect it to HDMI ARC. So the center port. Take the other end of the cable, connect it to the back of your TV to HDMI in to ARC. This is where it goes, HDMI into ARC. The next thing to do is switch the soundbar on and also switch the TV on. Switch the soundbar on, it will show you hello. Then use the source or input to select TV ARC. So it's showing us TV ARC. Then switch your TV on. Use the gear button and go to the TV settings. Scroll down to sound out. The sound out is showing us HDMI ARC device, so it's connected. And if it's not showing you HDMI ARC, you need to select on the sound out, then scroll to the right or left and look for where it is showing you HDMI and select on it. So you can scroll to the left or scroll to the right. So look for HDMI, then you select on it. So this is connected. When the connection is in HDMI, you can increase the volume using the soundbar remote or using the TV remote. So now we want to go to YouTube. Due to copyright issue, just play audio from YouTube channel. This is the audio. Selling out. Why this matters to me or you as a creator. Diversifying your income beyond apps and sponsorship is crucial. Stand Store is built especially to solve that problem, to let you monetize your experts directly and on your own audio. It is the business. And you can also select particular sound mode you want. So basically, so this is bass. What this platform you can boost here is to currently in bass boost. Mentorship. This is standard, etc. So what we want to do with the process, surround, sign up to just go to your game bar, type store, adaptive, DTS Visual X, store. Bass boost is the easiest way to make money online. All of your courses. So you can watch any particular TV program you want to watch. But this is how to hook this up. If you go through the mission statement, this is the panda. So this is how to hook this up. Thank you very much indeed. This soundbar deserves your attention. Thank you.